So in this week's video, we're tackling the kitchen, and the kitchen is a big project for anybody because there's a lot of crap in your kitchen. I am focusing on one cupboard, the cupboard of water bottles and mason jars. And I'm going to see how well I can par it down. Wish me luck. But here's the kicker. If I can do it, you can do it. And maybe we'll both feel better. And I'm going to warn you right now. I live in my kitchen. I live in my house. So I have crumbs. I have things on the counter. I have dirty dishes in the sink. And I'm just warning you now because viewer discretion is advised. Let's just do a quick overview of the kitchen. Let's just a quick scan here. The stove area, spices. If we want to open up these cupboards, you're going to see I've got a great little Lazy Susan, a little pantry area, cookbooks, mandatory spice area. Over here, we've got some plates, cups, coffee cups. I actually decluttered that a little bit already, which is insane because it's really full. But today we're going to be focusing on this cupboard. I'm sure you have a cupboard like this in your kitchen. As you can see, it's water bottles, mason jars, and like jars I've kept because obviously I needed them. And then down here, an assortment of cups, mason jars, mason jar lids. It's just so much. There's so much stuff here that I'm not using it. Let's de-clutter. Water bottle. Water bottle. It's not even a Stanley. It's just like, I got that for Christmas from my daughter. Water bottle. Oh my God. Water bottle. How many water bottles does one person need? This is actually a Stanley. This is actually a pretty good water bottle. I'll probably keep that one. Water bottle. Oh God. Another water bottle. Ah! I'm going to fall on this chair. What the hell? Oh, I know what this one is. So this massive water bottle that I found, and let's compare it to like a regular water bottle in the cupboard, is actually for my husband. He's a mailman, and this is what he uses in the summer when it gets hot. So I cannot get rid of this one. I'm gonna count them. Let's count how many we have, shall we? And this isn't even all of them. This is just the top part. Okay. God bless America. All right. It was a freebie, and now it's going to be free for somebody else because I'm going to give it away. We got that at Disney. Country Bears. Look at that. Gone. Facebook Marketplace. No. Facebook Buy Nothing Group. I think this is a Minecraft water bottle, so my son might use it for school, so we have to keep it. That's the keep pile. I don't know. I don't know. Should we? That's a maybe. No. Give away. I just got it for Christmas, so I'm going to keep it. It's Stanley, so I'm going to keep it. Water bottle. Gone. Water bottle. No. Okay, switch. Keep. Go. This one's gone. Gone. And then another one of these Stanley wannabes. Gone. So I have separated the water bottles in two piles. This is the keep pile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we're keeping. And 1, 2, 3, 5 we are getting rid of. So I think that's a pretty even Steven score. And this is a maybe because my husband might use that while delivering mail. All right, we know what we're donating in the bag. Bag. Okay. Bag. Whew. That felt good. Let's take a look. Oh my God, look at that. Now we got to start on the mason jars. These are going to be tough because I keep them. A, because they're adorable, right? They're cute. And B, there's got to be a purpose for this. I can find a purpose for this. Let's do it. Oh, I love these. Oh, I have so many of these because I buy local honey. And we started out with small honey jars, but we realized I used honey a lot, so we upped it to the bigger jars. Look how cute! What's a plastic one? Oh wow, I have a lot of these. Jeez Louise, look at those. Oh, Atlanta. Oh, so many jars. One more. Oh. The shelf is empty, and so is my soul. Look at them all. Oh, I thought the water bottles were going to be tough. Okay, we can get through this. We're going to get through this. I don't want to. We're ready? Let's count them. No judging. No judging. 1 cute jar, 2 cute jar, 3 cute jar. 4 cute. 10, 11, 12, 18, 19. This one's not as cute, but still it's a jar. This one's going to be easy. It's going in the recyclable bin. Boom. 1 down. Okay. I don't need this one, even though I thought I did at the time, but I have so many other mason jars. This one can be recycled as well. Okay, bye-bye. Now, babies. I'm thinking. Okay, I'm gonna keep 3 of the big ones. 3 big ones. I'm gonna keep 3 of them. That's a compromise. 3 are going away. Look how cute this is. I can't get rid of this. I could really do something with this. I could put I could put spices. I could put coins. I could put thumbtacks. I could put barrettes. I could put lots of different things in this. I can't. Okay. Keeping this one. I'm keeping this one. 2 cute little jars. I'm getting rid of this one because we don't have the thing that goes around the top. I don't know where it is. So that's going to be recycled. Ding. This one doesn't match my other ones. See, the lid's a little different. So this one is gone. This, again, like, look how cute that is, but I don't have a lid. So gone. I'm going to keep 3 of the little ones as well. And then anything that's odd shaped, like these are kind of odd shaped, they're gone. Boom. Okay, I'm going to keep this one because I have a lid for it. So this, it's a wide mouth. These are worth something in my heart. I know it seems like I have an unnatural attachment to mason jars, but there actually is a purpose to them. I've been trying not to use plastic, you know, because of microplastics in our bloodstream. And so I started saving these so I could put leftovers in, especially hot leftovers, so that the plastic didn't leach. So I do use these when I make batches of soup, when I have leftover spaghetti sauce, all that kind of good stuff, but it really is too many. So I think 3 big ones and 4 little ones should be good. All right, now it's time to tackle an even harder part, which is this shelf. We use this shelf a lot. This is like an easy, accessible shelf, so a lot of crap gets thrown in there. And let's do it. So prior to me understanding microplastics, Tupperware was my go-to, especially with small kids, right? Like these little freebie cups. I've had the sippy cup since my son was 2 or 3, and oh my God, he's 15 now, so he still uses them. We got, I think this is some type of shaker. Oh, look, another cup, water bottle. This looks like a good water bottle. I might keep that one. I actually use this one. It's a Stanley for when I take my coffee to work, so can't get rid of that. Yeah, this one's gone. I don't know. Oh, wow. Oh! I'm going to go through those. This is a gift. Here's some more, like Stanley cups. Let's see. Oh my God, water bottle. Look at this one. Oh, I'm stretching. There's that one. That's gross. I don't even know what that goes to. I guess it goes to that. Oh, here's another Tupperware. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Oh, and then we have over here. Oh, do you know how long I've had that Rugrats? A long, long time. What the? Oh, my Lanta. You know, it's funny what starts to matter to you. Like, I look at these and I have memories of my son as a kid. But I mean, come on, he doesn't use it anymore. So I'm going to be practical. These are recycled. These are donated. Just going to recycle them. I'm not recycling them. Okay. I know he uses this because he does shakes. Donate. I think it's time to say goodbye to the Tupperware. Now I'm just trying to find lids for the things I might keep. I think this fits this one, so that might be a keeper. Look, there's some little things for straws. I don't know where the straws are. You put straws in here. I don't know where those are. This doesn't... Okay. Here's what we get. I know this seems silly. This is a sentimental cup. And this is where I think it gets hard for a lot of people. I know it gets hard for me. My son and my husband went to their first Boston Red Sox game together last summer, and this is the cup they had we drank out of. And I don't think we want to get rid of it, but it's... So here's another sentimental cup. This is, and I'm not joking, let's see, it's on the bottom. Oh, it does not say. But this is Chucky from, 1997, it says it on the back. I don't know if you can see it. This is a Chucky cup from 1997. And my kids were little then, my older kids were little, and this was one of their cups. And my mother had it for the longest time, and then somehow it ended up back at my house. And I mean, this might be sellable. I might get some money for Chucky. So I might have to sell him on the internet. All right, so these are what we're keeping. Some water bottles. But these are... Okay, that doesn't fit. Water bottles that serve a purpose. Like this is my coffee bottle. I'm pretty sure my husband uses that one. We've got the shaker for my son because he uses that. Some plastic cups. I didn't get rid of everything. I kept these. But the Tupperware's gone. I'm going to put this up top. Don't fall. And I'm going to keep this one, even though it's broken, because it's one of the ones I use around the house. So the cats don't get into my water. They like to dump the water. Okay, so that's that. And we're keeping Chucky, but with the intent to make some money. All in all, I'm pretty happy with the results. I've cleared that out very well. Half the space, halved it. Same thing with the mason jars. I halved it. And then I halved that. Like, I feel like that is a win. I'm taking that as a win, people. I've got 2 bags of either donations or maybe I'll try to sell those mason jars. But either way, my kitchen is a little bit more decluttered. It's done. It's done. I have decluttered 1 kitchen cabinet and I have made progress. And sometimes that's what you need to feel. That's what you need to know you can do. Tackle little pieces at a time. What is it the saying is, how do you eat an elephant? How do you eat an elephant? 1 bite at a time. How do you declutter your kitchen? 1 cabinet at a time, 1 shelf at a time, 1 something at a time, but it can be done. Okay, listen, follow along, hit the subscribe button. I release a new YouTube video every Tuesday, decluttering, downsizing, organizing, making moves to better your life, to move forward in your life, to move forward mentally and emotionally and spiritually and all that other crap. So come along for the journey. It's going to be fun. It is fun. I mean, right?